Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Beautylish Lucky Bag. This is actually the first year I have ever done this. I tried to get one last year and it was sold out, so I'm really excited. Also not really sure what to expect because it's my first time getting one, but I'm really excited. I haven't peeked in the box yet. Okay, so the first thing I got is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Incandescent Electra. I actually have this and I absolutely love it, but I'm actually really excited that I got it even though I already have it because it is getting close to the expiration date for the one that I already own, so it is a very beautiful blush. Okay, this is the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. I've always wanted to try Good Molecules. I've actually never heard of this product, but pineapples do contain an enzyme called bromelain that can help exfoliate the skin and help with skin brightening and hyperpigmentation. So I'm definitely interested to try this out. Let's see what other ingredients there are. Okay, so it has rice starch, which is going to be rich in beta-glucans, which are long chains of sugars that will really help hold on to water, and so that will be very hydrating. Rice starch is also soothing for the skin, so that should help combat some of the potential irritation with the chemical exfoliant. And it also has a derivative of vitamin C called 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid. So that is a derivative of vitamin C that is more stable. However, there's not as much research on the effectiveness of that form of vitamin C. I can make a video about vitamin C if you're interested in that, but it's interesting that they do have that more stable form of vitamin C present here. But it looks like sort of the main claim of this is that it is a chemical exfoliant, has the bromelain enzyme found in pineapple. So I'll definitely try this out and let you know how it works. I've been testing out some other chemical exfoliants, so I can plan to put together a video kind of comparing different chemical exfoliants, and now I have this Good Molecules one as well to tell you about. And I looked up the price and it is $15, so yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Okay, so next I got this microfiber lemon drop sponge. I have never tried this before, but I will definitely keep you posted about how it compares to the Beauty Blender. Okay, so I got a Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Palette of Pops. Oh, and Dazzling Diamonds. Okay, I'm really excited about this. I actually really wanted to buy this about a month ago and didn't, but I'm really excited that, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm really excited about this. I remember watching Tara Lynn's video reviewing this and really wanted it, but I just couldn't justify the price at the time. So I'm really excited that this came in my lucky bag. Okay, next I got this Lena Cho. This looks like a luxury lipstick. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I really like how it comes in this little velvet case. And I got the shade called 8 Anderson. It looks really bright. It might be a bit out of my comfort zone, but I'll go ahead and swatch it for you on my lips so that you can see what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty bright. Yeah, so this is very bright. I feel like I would want to wear a lip liner with this. I think this will be actually pretty fun to wear this color in the spring. Again, it is a bit out of my comfort zone, but it's very pretty. It feels really comfortable. Let me know what you think. I don't know that I really pull this off very well. Okay, the last thing I got is a brush. This is a Sonia G brush, and I actually have been wanting to try Sonia G for a while. I've heard Mel Thompson and also Tara Lynn talk about these brushes and how much they like them. This is called the Mini Booster. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I've wanted to try the Sonia G brushes for a while now. That was everything in my lucky bag. I'm actually really happy with everything I got. I think the thing I'm most excited about is the Charlotte Tilbury luxury eyeshadow palette, because that actually is something that has been on my wish list for a couple of months. So I actually added up the cost of everything that I got in my Lucky Bag, and it totals to $172, and the price of the Lucky Bag was $75. So I personally think that that is a really good deal. I just got this for fun. I love makeup, and I just was really excited to do this, and I feel fortunate with everything that I got. You know, the only thing I would say that I'm slightly disappointed is that I wish that maybe I had gotten a new shade to try. Even though I love this shade in the Hourglass blush. But I mean, that is the risk you take when you do these like mystery bags, you know? I mean, you never know, you might get something that you already have, especially if you're a makeup lover, makeup collector. So I'm still really happy with everything that I got. If you got one, please let me know what you got in your bag. And thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and I'm a chemist who loves makeup artistry and skincare, and I love making videos explaining the ingredients in your cosmetics. So I would love it if you would consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.